Today's topic is economic importance of algae. These are photoautotrophic, that is, they can prepare their own food and they produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Algae are ubiquitous and majority of them are found in stagnant waters. Primary producers. Algae are the main oxygen producers in aquatic areas. They are also useful in decreasing water pollution by releasing oxygen. 10% of total photosynthesis that is carried out by plants is carried out by the algae. Algae as food. Algae species are used as food in several countries and in several forms. Algae species have proteins, vitamins such as vitamin A, B, C and E, lipids and minerals. The picture shows algae as food products. Algae as source of iodine. The marine algae are rich in iodine and several other important minerals. By feeding the milk cattle and hens with algae, iodine quantity of the milk and eggs may sufficiently be increased. As antibiotic and in medicine, some algae yield antibiotics. Chlorella is obtained from green alga chlorella that inhibits the growth of certain bacteria. Because of high iodine contents, brown algae is used in manufacture of various goiter medicines. Spirogyra is used for cleaning of optical instruments. Algae in sewage disposal. The effective disposal of sewage requires oxygen, and this oxygen is brought about by the algal members present in the sewage like Chlamydomonas, chlorella, etc. The oxygenation by algae also helps to avoid unpleasant odor coming out of sewage bodies. Algae as fertilizer. Due to the presence of phosphorus, potassium, calcium and some trace elements, the seaweeds are used as fertilizers. Chara is used to overcome calcium deficiency in the fields and ficus is used as manure. Algae in land reclamation. Algae acts as binding agent. They help in reducing the pH of alkaline soils and increasing the water holding capacity of the soils. Use of algae as diatomite. Diatomite is fossilized remains of diatoms. Diatoms are single-celled aquatic algae which are in the form of petri dish. It is used in car paint, roof insulation, wall insulation, cosmetics and bath products. Use of algae as agar-agar. It is a jelly-like substance obtained from algae and is used in desserts and other cooking. It is also used to thicken soups and sauces. Agar-agar. By using agar, microorganisms can be cultured. Role of algae in nitrogen fixation. Algae plays an important role in nitrogen fixation. A high rice yield has obtained when the rice fields were inoculated by nitrogen fixation. Source of minerals. Minerals obtained by kelps are used in glass and soap preparations. Seaweeds are rich source of iron, zinc, copper, manganese and boron. Use as algin. Algin is obtained from different algae. It is used in adhesive structure in artificial silk, used in paints and many pharmaceutical products and is used in ice creams. Algae as algin. It is used in processing of natural and synthetic rubbers. Harmful aspects of algae. Contamination of water reservoirs. The algae grows abundantly in water reservoirs meant for domestic purposes. This affects the filtration process and brings bad taste to water due to decay of dead algal plants. Such algae include members of Cyanophyta and Chlorophyta. Water blooms. Sometimes algal plants grow abundantly and form quite apparent bodies called water blooms. These bodies deplete the oxygen contents of the water during night time. They emit bad smell and secrete certain poisonous substances harmful to aquatic animals. The picture shows diagram of water bloom. Death to living organism. Algae causes eutrophication in ponds and lakes and it causes death of aquatic animals. The death of cattle occur by drinking the infected water, and due to the thick layer of algae on surface of water, photosynthesis does not occur. Diseases in human beings. The contaminated water causes stomach disorders in human beings. Similarly, some algae are responsible for respiratory disorders, skin diseases, and other algae causes allergies. Parasitic activities. Some algae are parasites on other plants and animals as well. Most of these belong to Rhodophyta. Thank you.